Dear shareholders, I would now like to turn to one of our most transformational initiatives, one that India would see evolving in the next few years. This is our Pan-India, fourth generation broadband initiative under the auspices of Reliance Jio. I had shared the vision of this initiative last year of a digital India and of the unique opportunity that we have as Reliance to maximize the benefits of the digital age for India. I had also shared with you our plans on building a countrywide broadband next generation infrastructure and digital services that will help contribute significantly to the Indian economy and help improve the life of 1.25 billion Indians. Today, let me dwell on the execution of this expansive and all-pervasive initiative whose scale is unprecedented in the annals of Indian business. At the outset, our confidence in delivering this technology-based infrastructure and services is very high. Reliance is set to make this vision a reality very soon in the coming months. Limited field trials with our initial set of services for the broadband services are already underway as we speak. Expanded field trials will commence in August this year across multiple cities. These trials will continue through the end of 2014 and early part of 2015. The objective is to ensure that everything that we offer is future-proof and world-class. The year 2015 will see the phased launch of Reliance Jio across India. Millions of customers would have started to use the digital platform and services in their daily lives. The fruits of the tremendous value created by this 70,000 crore initiative would start to flow. This value creation would be on a base of 1.25 billion Indians with an opportunity to include all sections of our society in the exciting promise of the digital economy. Engaged in this massive endeavor are over 10,000 full-time Jio employees and who are working alongside with nearly 30,000 professionals from our partners and vendors from all parts of the world. In addition, there are over 100,000 people working across the country in creating the digital infrastructure backbone for this network. They are passionate about building the largest broadband network that the world has ever seen. Reliance Jio will be one of the largest job-creating and wealth-creating business initiatives in India. The network and broadband services will be ubiquitous, initially covering all states of India, all the 5,000 towns and cities, accounting for over 90% of urban India and over 215,000 villages in India in the first shot itself. Eventually, this network will encompass each of our over 600,000 villages. All these efforts will help India become a leader in the digital era. They would ensure that every Indian has access to state-of-the-art digital connectivity and services that are on par with or better than anywhere else in the world. Dear shareowners, our vision and goals for this business are overarching. Besides providing the base broadband connectivity to all citizens, the digital infrastructure and digital services have the potential to add significantly to India's GDP growth. Millions of new entrepreneurs and jobs can be expected to spring up in secondary and the tertiary sectors in new and innovative digital enterprise and services. The boundaries of these startups and services are only limited by our imagination. Indian enterprises would be able to run more efficiently and become more globally competitive. They would be able to do transactions quicker, access information faster, and in turn provide faster service to their customers. Our aim is to make every critical information available to all citizens at the touch of a button. Reliance Jio is the future that Reliance is building for generations of Indians to follow. They deserve to be on par with the best in the world, whether in education or healthcare or security for their families. The acquisition through an open offer of Network 18 Media and Investments and its subsidiary TV18 Broadcast by an independent media trust, the sole beneficiary of which is Reliance Industries, is one aspect of our digital services play. This will differentiate and strengthen our 4G business at the unique intersects of telecom, web and digital commerce and media through a suite of premier digital properties. Reliance Jio will leverage on the emerging data explosion concurrent with the large volume and criticality of data traffic and data-driven applications for individuals, governments, businesses and enterprises of all hues in urban and rural areas. Reliance is committed with your support to make the compelling vision of Jio happen and create new opportunity domain for India's information infrastructure, digital services, social development, entrepreneurship and economic growth. Dear shareholders, I will like to report to you now on the progress made by Reliance Foundation. I would like to also take this opportunity to thank Srimati Nita Ambani for her outstanding leadership and the creation of the highly committed and energetic team at Reliance Foundation under her. Over the last couple of decades, Nita has been engaged in several initiatives that have strengthened Reliance from a world-class infrastructure at Jamnagar to next-generation campuses in New Bombay to customer touchpoints for Reliance Retail to creation of a world-class school, the Dhirubhai Ambani International School, to Mumbai Indians, and most importantly, the foundation itself. We are delighted today to welcome her to the board of Reliance Industries. And subject to your approval today, we look forward to her being on the board on her own individual merits as an accomplished individual and the founder chairperson of Reliance Foundation. Reliance Foundation has focused on bringing holistic and sustainable changes in the lives of some of the most disadvantaged communities in the country. In a short span, our expenditure last year was 712 crores. During the year, the foundation reached out to an additional 1 million people through its various initiatives. The foundation has impacted over 2 million people cumulatively in this short span of the last 3 years. As one of India's largest philanthropic organizations, the foundation is continuously adapting itself to meet the needs of the community for appropriate, adequate and timely response. Reliance Foundation was one of the first organizations to reach out to the thousands of people in over 100 villages in Uttarakhand when calamity struck them in June 2013. The foundation had deployed teams to work in some of the worst affected areas on long-term initiatives for livelihood and health in Uttarakhand. I had spoken to you about the launch of the Information Service Program and the Health Outreach Program last year. I am happy to inform you that these two programs have made considerable progress. Reliance Foundation's Information Service Program is currently operational in 7 states and Union Territory of Puducherry. It has been successful in providing need-based information on livelihoods and health through the use of technology to communities in over 5,000 villages. The program was widely used by the Marine Police to deliver alerts during the recent cyclone in Andhra Pradesh. The health outreach program has now reached to more than 350,000 people in our own city of Mumbai, offering them quality, primary and preventive health care. In the tertiary health care, I am pleased to inform you that the Sir H.N. Reliance Foundation Hospital and Research Center will be operational in the next few months. Our vision for this hospital is to provide world-class healthcare facilities in India at affordable cost. This new hospital, spread across nearly 8 lakh square feet, will be one of the most modern facilities with complete technology integration and offering best of medical care through a committed team of leading doctors and professionals. And we want to assure all our shareholders that they will have a preferential right at this hospital. The hospital is also in the process of partnering with several global healthcare facilities to make sure that our standards are the best in the world. Reliance Foundation's Bharat India Jodo program has scaled up further during the year and is actively engaged with over 40,000 households across 12 states. Several thousands of hectares of privately owned unproductive land has been brought under cultivation through this program in some of the water-starved parts of the country. In the education space, over 10,000 children have cumulatively benefited through the Dhirubhai Ambani Scholarship Program. The Pan India program offers merit cum means scholarship for students to pursue college education. About 50% of these scholars are girls and about 20% are differently abled. The foundation initiated program using sports as a medium for development of youth and has already impacted over 250,000 children last year. At Reliance, we have always believed that business and philanthropy are two sides of the same coin. I want to assure you that in the years to come, the Reliance Foundation will attain the same eminence through its social service initiative as Reliance Industries has done in its wealth creation initiatives. Together, these two initiatives will further enhance Reliance's reputation as an enlightened and committed corporate citizen. Dear shareholders, as you have heard, Reliance is at an inflection point in its journey to create value for all its stakeholders, and based on our 3-year investment cycle, greater competitive advantage, and higher diversity and sustainability of growth and profitability of all our businesses. I see unprecedented levels of aspiration and ambition in our society, especially among the Indian youth. Every Indian wants to be included in India's growth story, and every Indian wants to contribute to India's growth story. The entrepreneurial energy in India is waiting to be unlocked. At a time like this, young Indians need positive role models who can inspire them, who can make them believe that their dreams will indeed come true. Reliance has been a role model for all Indians who dare to dream, and it will continue to be an even bigger role model for them in the years to come. This is my assurance to you, and this is our promise to India. Over the next 3 years, the commissioning of each of our large projects in petrochemicals and refining, the strengthening of our retail business, and the launch of our Geo business will propel us closer to our aspiration of being a Fortune 50 company as we complete 40 years of our corporate journey. As India's largest company, we are committed to sustainable growth in each of our businesses and to societal responsibility. We are strengthening each of our existing businesses to maintain their competitive position in performance and operating margins. In organized retailing, we are confident of doubling our business every 3 to 4 years and build India's preeminent retail company. Through our Jio initiative, we hope to deliver a differentiated range of services that will provide an unparalleled experience to our subscriber. We are simultaneously de-risking the organization by bringing on board the best talent globally and also providing development opportunities to each of our next generation Reliance managers. Traditionally, Reliance has leveraged its strong execution skills on large format in several sectors. The next 2 years will see our execution skills being powered by the motivation to help citizens' lives, improve livelihoods, and greater value for the society. The pervasive spirit of societal value will give greater meaning in the engagement of Reliance employees and business partners with our initiative. Finally, in closing, I reiterate, Reliance's faith in India is as robust as ever, for it has been the very foundation of the creation and character of Reliance. As I have brought out, our initiatives support India's imperatives in energy security, address advanced material needs, link the farmer with the markets, and create next-generation information superhighway. Our efforts and focus over the next 2 years will be to intensify these initiatives and have them reach out to more citizens across the social spectrum. More significantly, they would improve livelihoods, employment opportunities, and value for Indian society on an unprecedented scale. In every sense, Reliance will be moving from investing in India's economic future to integrating deeper with India's social fabric. India is finding renewed confidence in creating opportunities for its citizens and forging forward on an equitable growth path at higher rates to attain and sustain a position among the top global economic powers. For us at Reliance, it simply means that we have to work with greater zeal and intensity than ever before in every way that we are able to in supporting achievement of India's goals. The greatest strength of Reliance has been the unstinting support that it has enjoyed from its constituents and well-wishers. My colleagues on the board, our talented employees and their families, our valued shareholders, investors, bankers, financial institutions, lenders, suppliers, and customers. Our strong engagement with India could not have found ground without encouragement and support from central and state governments and governments of all the countries where Reliance operates. My heartfelt gratitude to each individual agency and organization who have contributed to and supported our accomplishments, and above all, my deep gratitude to each and every one of you present today for your continuous support. Thank you very much.